flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, central Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, northern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 10:30 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 0.75 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include eastern Madison, Janesville, Pittsburgh, Whitewater, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Monroe, Verona, Oregon, Jefferson, McFarland, Monona, Lake Mills, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Marshall, Waterloo, Brodhead and Darlington. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.